So in this video, I'll be showing you how to download offline maps onto your RC2 for your Mini 4 Pro. Now, you don't need to have the drone on at all. It can be done all on the RC2. The first thing you've got to do is make sure your Wi-Fi is on, which I would imagine you've got your Wi-Fi already sorted. So you go in, you turn on your Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, we can get on to download the maps. So you go into profile, you scroll down where it says offline maps, you click on that. What you're going to get a whole picture of the whole world. You want to find the location that you want to go to. So for instance, you're going out. Now for me, it's going to be Spain. You can hear my dog out there. I'll tell you what I will do, because I can remember, so just to prove, you know, it doesn't matter where you are. I'm going to go into a place that I used to live. You can hear my dog doing her guard dogging bit. I'm just trying to see. Here it is. Okay. God, I've been down here for years. I used to be living in a place called Child Oakford. Lovely little place. Okay, so that's the area that I want to scan. Now I can make it a little bit smaller, make it a bit more refined, or I can make it a little bit larger so I can see the name of the roads and that. So that's the area I want to save. So I press the download button. I put on the name. Okay. It's a good old English name, this, Child Oakford. Okay, I'll tick the box. I'll say yes. While that's downloading, we can go straight into downloads, check it's still there. Now, for some reason, if I didn't like it or want to remove it, I'll tell you what I'll do. The beach one, I've got the beach one there. If I click the dots there, I can delete that, or I can rename it. I'm going to delete it just to show you that you can do it. And guys, that's it. That's how simple it is. So when you're out and about, what will happen, once you go into that area, that will come up on your map. Now, I can't show it at the moment because I'm not outside at the moment, but you will get the picture of it. If we go into connection guide, camera view, and then down at this corner here, in that map, once you're in that location, that will come up on that map, especially if you're not connected to the internet. So, I hope you found that useful. It's a quick video. It's pretty simple, but it's really important, guys, because if you're out and about in a location you don't really know and you haven't downloaded your map of that area, and the worst scenario is if you lose your drone, usually you can use your map to give you some bearing on it. So, as always, happy flying. I'll catch you on another video.